Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Skyline, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this general list we have to scroll down to the bottom to find system. Then let's tap on gestures, they should be on the 3rd position, and tap on navigation mode at the top. And as you can see here, we've got 2 different options, the 3-button navigation, which is currently applied. Before we will set the gestures, a quick disclaimer: if you will decide to stick to this option, so the 3-button navigation, you can customize it here. You can mirror the buttons, so mirror back and menu buttons, you can reorder them. And here we've got the settings, so you can decide whether you want to hold home for Assistant from Google. So it's up to you totally. I just want to remove it. To set the gestures, simply tap on this option at the top, and you can see that instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for specific gestures. Of course, I'll show them later on. After tapping on the settings icon, you can manage digital assistant and back sensitivity, and I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need this back sensitivity to be lower or higher. Alright, so now a tutorial. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, from the left side or the right side. It works the same. As you can see, we've got this arrow, and after seeing the arrow, you can release the finger. We just got back. As I said, the same from the left side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that your motion will be quick and short, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, however, elongate it. So hold your finger somewhere here and release the finger when you will see open tabs. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.